Step inside this ingeniously crafted Japanese-style tiny home, where every detail has been thoughtfully designed to make the most of narrow footprint using an innovative diagonal grid system. The layout is not just efficient, it's dynamic, elegant, and rooted in Japanese principle of functional beauty. At the center of the space, a sliding loft bed hovers gracefully above the void. This bed can move left or right along a built-in track, adapting to the homeowner's need, whether for sleeping, opening up floor space, or creating visual balance. This unique feature brings both comfort and versatility, making vertical space fully livable and interactive. Before entering the main bedroom area, a traditional genkan welcomes you a small, lower entry space for removing shoes, staying true to Japanese customs. The genkan provides a clean, intentional transition from the outside world into the serenity of the home. In the main living and sleeping area, a wooden foldable bed system is cleverly integrated into a diagonal wall cabinet, allowing the bed to disappear when not in use. When unfolded, the bed aligns seamlessly with the angle grid system, creating a balanced and harmonious layout. When stored away, the room transforms into a spacious lounge studio or reading nook, a truly multifunctional zone. Supporting the design further is a vertical sliding cabinet in the form of a triangle built directly along the diagonal grid line. This ergonomic solution not only saves space but also adds a bold architectural element, turning storage into a visual statement. It slides vertically following the slope of the grid and reveals layers of shelving ideal for books, linens, or daily essentials. Altogether, the diagonal grid system combined with folding furniture and sliding elements turns this narrow Japanese-style tiny home into a highly flexible and livable sanctuary. It's a beautiful example of how geometry, tradition, and innovation can work in harmony to maximize space without sacrificing style or comfort.